Hey, in there, quick block. Well, this tire kept going low all the time on me. I didn't have a chance to take a look at it. And come to find out, I actually had a nail in it. And it's right, that's where it was. So if you're asking whether green slime stops leaks or not, well, as you can see, I had it still in here when I was doing it, and now I've got it. Now I've got the slime in there, and I'll put some more air in here. And there's the hole, and it's not letting any air out. So if you're wondering if this is going to repair your flat, I would say so. Because there you go. There's the nail. The nail came out of here, and I just sparked it a second ago. I'm gonna keep that tire down low. I got to do the front one. I don't know if I got a nail on that one or not, but we'll find out in a few minutes. Yeah, I put I just put a little more than a half a bottle of this stuff in here. So that stuff's gonna go definitely down on the bottom there and block that leak. Yeah, freaking roofing nail got me. So there we go. That answers my question. I was always wondering if that stuff was working or not, because I put it in there. So, and then just filling it up a second, and that's the hole. So that's quite a bit of a hole right there. I gotta go get my, oh, there it is right there. Come on. Now I had it up here. I'm gonna put about 25 psi in that, and see what it does. Okay, I just pumped this thing up to 25 psi. Let's see where that hole is right now. You got any air coming out? Nope. So there you go. That answers that question. And now that I've got quite a bit of that in there, that's going to prevent any other punctures I've got. So let's keep that like so, right on the bottom. Drop this down. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to do the front tire here, see if I can find something wrong with it. Okay, I don't see anything else. Maybe I might have had another thorn in here, but I do have a plug, so I may be leaking. Might be leaking by the plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and put what's left of that in here. Real simple. Just take out your core. This will dump what's left of your air out of there. What I do is take that off of there first. Go ahead and put it on the stem, like so. This has got a nice little thing here. And then shove it up. Shove it up there. And they said they want it like a half moon here, but this one here I can go straight. Just go straight in. Alright, let me show you how to hook that up. It takes 2 hands to squeeze that thing. Okay, that's it. That's the last of it. Okay, green slime. Okay, let's get her. This is a lawn. Of course, this is a lawnmower, so you're not really worried about highway stuff here. So you're just trying to keep yourself from having to keep inflating tires every freaking day. It gets old. All right, so let's get this inflated back up. So it's like 15 or 20. All right, so I'm assuming my my leak is the plug. So I'm gonna leave that kind of on that lower section there, so it'll roll down and wrap around that plug. But there you go, is your quick directions. I kind of want that at 10 o'clock, And then slowly remove the valve, of course, let all the rest of the air out. And then remove the object if possible. And then you go ahead and attach the hose and squeeze the slime in. So you put the hose on your stem first and then put it on your on this bottle here. And then reinstall it, add air, and then start driving around. Stop and verify. Let's see. How much per tire? Lawnmower 8 ounces. Motorcycle 8 ounces. Lawn tractor 8 ounces. Trailers 8 ounces. Golf cart, no, trailers 20 or 16. Golf cart 20. Four-wheelers 20. And I just put in, how much is in this bottle? Oh, this is 24. And this is 24 ounces. So I got really carried away. I probably put 16 ounces in that puppy there. I won't have to worry about leaks again. And I probably put about 8 ounces, what was left in that front wheel. So, alright, so anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And there you go, slime.